Hey, this is Kaya. Another bike check update. Jumping right in, I got a Fit DLD stem with Love It, right enjoy right there. Odyssey Griswold grips, Odyssey par ends, best par ends ever, or bar ends, what the fuck? They're called par ends. Got Odyssey Twisteds, new Colt pegs. I don't I craft, so uh, a new Colt chain. Uh, snapped uh, I'm getting, I'm going to see if I can get new forks, a new seat clamp, and a seat post, and new cranks and bottom brackets. Or no, scratch the bottom bracket just to keep it loose. It was a cool color. Okay, that's about it. I know I just kind of skimmed right through it, but I'm not going to say any of the previous parts. You can just watch the other videos. Okay, peace.